Hello and welcome to Ajayasthro Money Guru, your go-to channel for the latest updates and advanced analysis on global commodities and financial markets. I'm Neena, and in today's update, we are diving into the recent movements in Asian stocks and the impact of US-China trade tensions on the global market. Asian equities took a significant hit on Thursday, primarily led by a decline in chip stocks. This drop comes as investors grow increasingly anxious over the escalating trade tensions between the US and China. This uncertainty also propelled the yen to a 6-week high, following suspected interventions by Tokyo last week. The US dollar is hovering near its weakest level in 4 months against a basket of currencies. This dip comes after comments from Federal Reserve officials bolstered expectations for a rate cut in September. Consequently, gold prices are staying near record highs. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan dropped 0.57%. South Korean tech-heavy stocks were down nearly 1%, while the yen's strength and a significant drop in chip stocks dragged Japan's Nikkei down by 2%. Chinese stocks also slipped as investors awaited policy news from a key leadership gathering in Beijing. The Shanghai Composite Index fell 0.4%, while the blue-chip CSI 300 index decreased by 0.5%. A report indicating that the US is considering tighter restrictions on exports of advanced semiconductor technology to China led to a decline in chip stocks and the Nasdaq overnight. This impacted AI giant Nvidia and Apple. Investor concerns were further heightened after Republican presidential candidate Donald Trump claimed that Taiwan took about 100% of our chip business and should pay the US for its defense. These comments caused shares of Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing County, TSMC, to plunge 3% in early trading ahead of its second quarter earnings release later on Thursday. The broader Taiwan index dropped nearly 2%. Investors are fully pricing in a 25 basis point rate cut in September, following Federal Reserve officials' indications that the US central bank is closer to reducing interest rates. This outlook has weakened the dollar, with the euro steady at $1.09385, close to the 4-month high it reached on Wednesday. Sterling was last at $1.30065, near a 1-year peak from the previous session. Investor focus is now on the European Central Bank's policy decision later in the day. While the ECB is expected to maintain current rates, official comments will be crucial for predicting the timing of the next rate cut. The dollar index, which measures the US currency against 6 peers, was last at 103.69, just above the 4-month low of 103.64 touched on Wednesday. The yen hit a 6-week high against the dollar at 155.37 in early trading after a sharp rise on Wednesday, suggesting possible market intervention by Japanese authorities. Bank of Japan data indicated Tokyo might have purchased nearly 6 trillion yen last week to support the currency. This intervention comes as the yen has dropped 9.5% against the dollar this year, due to the significant interest rate difference between the US and Japan, making yen borrowing attractive for investing in higher return dollar-priced assets, known as carry trade. In commodities, gold edged up 0.18% to $2,462 per ounce, just below its record high of $2,483.60 reached on Wednesday. That's all for today's market update. Stay tuned to Ajayasthro Money Guru for more in-depth analysis and the latest financial news. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.